Well, let's see what we got for a day today. Well, again, wonderful day. Snowstorm tracks is gone, and I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Have to see about that, but the beginning is quite nice anyway. Very nice. Okay, that was that. I have to take out my ignition key. Works well. My handbrakes works well too. I just hope that Swedish Car Association or testing or whatever is gonna let me drive. Well, let's see what I gonna do here. Just knocking the car safety. Well, here is a bit of the snow is going away. I hope I understand. This is the ugly truth about this garage. Well, it's moist now, and I don't want to take care of this when it's wet. The other side, I have an air compressor there. It's a bit slow. Well, this tank I'm gonna make to a compressor tank too, but I have to speed up that compressor because it's very slow. I think I'm gonna see what I gonna do about that. Well, let's see. I have to put away some of it. This, yeah, this is not very fast. It's very slow. Yeah. I'm gonna put this wheel on here somehow. Get it to center, and well, that's not so hard. That way, and it will fit on that. I have that I think gonna fit quite well there. So I don't think it's so difficult as to fix it quite in the central here. Yeah, I think that will do it. I have to drill some holes here. Let's see. I have to find something. Well, I have to buy some tools for this thing. I have to fix it, and so
be back for with this project another day. Bye for now, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye bye.